They are on, you know, what I love about this is that it gives you the best of both worlds. So fatty, you're still getting great browning through the mat, but you can do things that you would otherwise, you know, be fearful of sticking. You know, if you're worried about things sticking like fish or chicken, it's not going to stick on here. This is a non-stick surface, so you can do everything. Now I can grill my steaks and have the mushrooms and onions that I want to, you know, have with them. I won't have to go back into my kitchen to saute up some mushrooms to go with my steak. Look at my beautiful burgers. Things that are fattier that you don't want to drip into the barbecue. Here, keep your barbecue nice and clean.
And these mats are reusable over and over again, right?
Completely reusable over and over again. And Jill, not just outside either on your barbecue, but inside as well. So you can cut them to size. So if you have a round grill, you can cut them to fit your round grill.
Yes.
Or if you want to put them into some of your cake pans, if you have a pan that you think, oh, that cake pan has seen better days, now you can make that cake pan into a non-stick cake pan by cutting this to fit. And we even cut little helpers out here so we can pull it out. Your cookie pans, if your cookie sheet is old and things stick on it, now you have a a non-stick surface that you can have your cookies release and still brown beautifully. Things like cinnamon rolls that are sugary, this can just peel off and you can get them out of that pan so easily.
And let me ask you this, another great gift for Dad.
Yes,
you know what I would do? I'd package up maybe the knife set from Lucinda Scala Quinn, our today's special value, with these mats, under $40, and you're giving somebody true summer cooking essentials. You need knives to cut up all the things for your vegetables, your stir fries, your fruit salsas, whatever, and now you have these mats so that you can do more on your grill. I love the fact that you get these nice big ones where I could cover my whole grill surface and turn it into a little bit more of like almost a griddle type style,
look at that, I broke the yolk with the asparagus. That's okay. But look at this, you can totally have a griddle. You can, but you know, you can get really...
Look at the grill marks. Show that side of that steak real quick, Mare. Look at how you still, you're not losing anything by using one of these non-stick mats. You're still getting the grilling, you're still getting the flavor, you're still getting that caramelization on those mats, but you don't have as much mess, you don't have the flare-ups, you don't have the burnt charring, you know, the ones where your kids are like, I don't want the hot dog with the black stuff on it. Now you don't have to worry about that. And at the end of the night, the cleanup of the grill is take the mats in, wash them with warm soapy water, and they're ready to be used the next time.
Well, that's exactly it. I mean, I was overzealous with the cheese here just to prove a point. You see the cheese all over this mat. Well, if I wanted to, I could wait for that to burn, but look at the cleanup of this mat.
It's great.
The cleanup is no problem at all. Of course, the towel's not going to be quite
the towel's not going to be happy.
But look at that. That is a cleanup that you can make, you know, makes you feel happy, and you know it's not going to be a big problem here on the grill afterwards.
So listen, this is another great item to consider if you do go camping. You go to parks where you have grills there and you don't know what's been on the grill before you were there. Use these mats. You can cut them to size, to shape, cut them in strips, cut them in rounds.